Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our adventurous vlog series. Today, we have something truly magnificent in store for you. We're taking to the skies for some breathtaking aerial views of stunning natural wonders. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an incredible journey. Amazed, look at this incredible view. We're soaring above the coastline, capturing the beauty of nature in all its glory. The waves crash against the rugged rocks, creating a mesmerizing display of power and serenity. Take a look at this breathtaking aerial shot of a tropical palm forest. The vibrant green canopy stretches as far as the eye can see, providing a haven for wildlife and a feast for the senses. Just imagine strolling along that winding road, surrounded by the soothing rustle of leaves. Pure bliss. Our final stop takes us to the majestic Pyrenees Mountains, where we're literally emerging from the clouds. Look at that, and that concludes our incredible aerial adventure. I hope you enjoyed the magnificent views we captured today. Remember, there's nothing quite like exploring the world from above and witnessing nature's splendor firsthand. Join me again soon for more exciting travel experiences.